Hello everyone and welcome back to Canning Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Nespresso DeLonghi Lattissima espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the board, this one that you see right here. The power switch of this machine was having troubles powering on, and this is part of the whole board, so we had to replace the entire thing. Starting with one cappuccino, we're going to be testing this machine out. Then we do not have, unfortunately, we do not have the little bags over here for this machine, so we would not be able to brew any coffee. Well, as you can see, we get a nice steady stream coming out of the spouts, both the cappuccino as well as the coffee side. So there you have it, an espresso Lattissima working once again and powering on very easily. The power switch works perfectly. Thank you so much for repairing with Canning Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.